Are you tired of every time an AC company comes to look at your AC unit? They always seem to find 10 things to fix instead of the one thing that's actually wrong. Hi, I'm Chris Funk, owner of Cool Touch Air Conditioning and Heating here in the Valley. When I started Cool Touch, I did it with the belief that an honest, reliable company could not only survive, but could thrive if they would focus on two things: truly putting the customer first and always doing what they said they would do. 17 years later, I'm proud to have an A+ rating with the BBB and to have never received a complaint with the ROC. At Cool Touch, we only hire good people. We found it's easier to teach a good person air conditioning than it is to teach a technician to be a good person. When you call Cool Touch, you'll always get an employee and never an answering machine 24/7. Call us today, 623-734-1932. That's 623-734-1932. Or find us on the web at cooltouch.us. Kick back and relax. We'll keep you cool.